Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koloche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Company Law and Secretarial Practice. This is module number 1, video number 8. In previous class, we have seen the various types of companies. Now, today we shall begin with the last part of your first module, that is procedure of conversion of private company to public company. Or the first procedure we shall see today is conversion of a public company to private company. The first and foremost step for the conversion is to send a notice to directors of a meeting, that is a board meeting, along with the agenda. Here we should send the notice to all the directors along with the agenda and at least 7 days before the date of meeting, in compliance with the secretarial standard 1, to consider the conversion. Here a special meeting of board of directors should be called for the conversion and a notice should be given minimum 7 days prior. Then second step is convene the board meeting to decide upon the conversion into a private limited company and accordingly send notice to convene a meeting of board of directors for the following. First, finalize the draft list of creditors before going to the board meeting. These are the things what we should prepare and we should be ready. First is finalize the draft list of creditors. Decide upon the day, time, date and place to convey extraordinary general meeting. One extraordinary general meeting is to be called. This meeting is also called as AOGM, that is extraordinary general meeting. Then approval of draft notice to convey extraordinary general meeting. A meeting notice draft should be finalized in the board of directors meeting, and the memorandum of association also need to be approved in the board of directors. Then approve the draft article of association. The draft of article of association is to be also approved in the meeting. Then third step is send notice to members to convey or convene EOGM. EOGM means extraordinary general meeting of least 21 clear days in compliance with the secretarial standard 2. As per the secretarial standard 2, 21 days notice should be given for extraordinary general meeting. Convene EOGM to pass special resolution to take shareholders approval, that is conversion into a private limited. Here a special approval of all the shareholders is essential for conversion of a public company to private limited. These are the 4 steps basically we should remember. Fifth step is file MGT 14 within 30 days of passing the special resolution. There are certain rules and regulations. As per that, the attachments are to be followed. Number 1, certified true copy of the special resolution along with the explanatory statement. The explanatory statement of the resolution need to be attached. Then altered memorandum of association, altered article of association, because these two things will change as per the alteration or as per the private company. These two things need to be updated. Then notice of the extraordinary general meeting and resolution of the extraordinary general meeting. These are the documents which we need to submit while filing it. At least 21 days before the date of filing the application in form RD1, that is the form number RD1. that is the gap between the filing of application and newspaper advertisement and other things mentioned below should be minimum of 21 days to the following. As per the advertisement and as per the norms, all these things need to be clarified with minimum 21 days before the filing. Advertisement in form 25A in English and regional language of the state in which the register office of the company is situated. Then dispatch individual notice to each creditor. Dispatch notice to regional director, registrar of companies and any other regulatory authorities such as RBI, IRDAI in case if applicable. RBI and other things are applicable only in terms of banking related businesses. Then seventh step is, meanwhile draft the application to be filed with RD, that is registrar, and get the same signed. Then file the application with registrar district in form RD1 after expiry of 21 days as mentioned in point number 6, but within 60 days of passing a special resolution. Here one thing we need to remember, once the general meeting has happened, extraordinary general meeting, and in this extraordinary general meeting if it has been approved to say convert the public company into private company, a ad should be given and objections should be filed within 21 days. And if no objections have been filed within 21 days, then within 60 days the special resolution will expire. So before that the application of filing should be submitted. Where no objections has been received by ROC and creditors, then the matter can be put up without hearing and the concerned RD can pass the order or otherwise can call for further information as it may seem necessary or expedient. The next is, the order as received from RD, that is registrar, shall be filed with ROC within 15 days from the date of receipt of order in form INC 28. So this is the process of converting public company to private company. The next process of converting a private company to a public company we shall discuss in tomorrow's class. These are the 10 steps in which the detailed steps for conversion of a public company to a private company is being explained. You all can go through this. I will be sending notes. If you have any doubts, questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.